How to clear cache on Snapchat. So there are two methods from which you can clear Snapchat cache. First method is by your system and the other method is by the app. Firstly, tap and hold on the Snapchat app. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner. In your app info, go to storage. At the bottom right corner, click on clear cache. This will clear your Snapchat cache. Let's move on to the other method. Go to your Snapchat app. Once opened, at the top left corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. From your profile section, click on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Now in your settings, you will see different kind of options like these. Scroll down and look for the section Account Action. Under the section Account Action, the first option you'll see will be Clear Cache. Click on that option and select Continue. Once you do that, then all your Snapchat cache will get cleared. Now just to make sure that your app runs smoothly, make sure to give your device a quick restart. That's all for today. Thank you.